Many historians credit the ancient city of Athens as the birthplace of classical rhetoric. Every Athenian man had to be ready to stand in the assembly and speak to persuade his countrymen to vote for or against a particular piece of legislation. A man's success and influence depended on his rhetorical ability. Moreover, Athenian men were supposed to defend themselves and their families in court. Since there were no lawyers, apparently they had to be good at public speaking. Now here at Pep Talk India, in our Pep Talk Skills course, we discuss all the insights of public speaking. Public speaking is a skill. Indeed, it's much needed skill and you ought to develop it. Now someone asked me about pro tips in one of the comments. Basically, he wanted to know how professional public speakers overcome their fear. They look comfortable and confident on the stage. So what are the secrets? This video is for you, buddy, and all you people out there watching. I know so many people, they never accept their mistakes, they never accept their fears. Now, if you're not accepting it, you can never rectify it. Now, after acceptance, Buddha says you're going to experience your fear because you'll only be able to think of overcoming your fear once you're in the middle of your fear. Once this fear is not new for you. Okay, let's do some experiment. Let me show one clip. Do not get scared. Do watch it right away. Of course you got scared, but I bet if you watch this scene again, you'll be less scared. If you watch this hundreds of times, you won't be scared at all. It's simple science. If your brain experiences something again and again, it adapts to it. Solution of stage fright is on the stage itself. Professional speakers understand this. That's why they make stage their another home. If you wish to be pro in public speaking, get on the stage right away. If you don't know where and how, come and join Pep Talk India. We have wonderful courses for you. Pep Talk Skills and Person to Personality course. This is a big deal actually. I know so many presenters and they have interesting strategies. Way before their presentation, they visit the venue. They meet their future audience. They try talking to them. They try understanding their requirements and accordingly they prepare their presentation. And apparently, on the day of presentation, they feel more comfortable. Of course, they cannot do this every time. So here's another strategy. On the day of their presentation, they reach early so that they could get familiar with their audience and the place to feel more comfortable, of course. Now what I do, first of all, I try not to anticipate much because most of the times we anticipate terrible things and this brings nervousness and fear. I rehearse my content, I prepared structured content as well so that I could remember. I try taking proper rest, listen to good music, take protein and fiber-rich food, do vocal warm-up exercises, try cracking jokes, try talking to as many people as I can. Just before the presentation, I give myself a pat on the back and tell myself, it's okay man, try your best. Even if something goes wrong, it's okay. You're still better than those people who are not even trying. If something goes wrong, that will be a good experience. We all learn from our mistakes, right? So do not repeat mistakes. So make sure you have this pre-presentation routine because this is going to be crucial. An artist doesn't perfect something. A true artist takes something to completely new and different level. True artist creates something really beautiful, magnificent, something of its own kind. Great public speakers have been great artists actually, because their speeches have transformed the world, enlightened the world. Their words have ignited the spark. They reached on the other side of fear because they were so busy achieving their artistry. And life on the other side of fear, friends, is blissful, is an amazing life, is beautiful. Now the question comes how to be an artist, how to master your craft. It's really simple. Your every performance has to be better than your last one. Now to make your performances better, you're gonna learn more, you're gonna read more, you're gonna dig deeper, you're gonna observe more. Public speaking has to be the most important part of your life. Stage has to be your another home. Keep getting better every day, every week, every fortnight, every month, every year. Work upon your body language, your content, your style. Have fun on the stage. Basically, it's a never-ending journey of self-improvement. Happy public speaking.